Hey, it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right, Queen of the Grandinites. All right, so I'm very excited because I got 3 packages today, and I'm very excited because I think I know what they are. At least 2 of them, I know what they are. One was actually a gift from someone very special. So I want to see what this is, and I would like for y'all to do this unboxing with me because whatever I get, I like to share. And I just want y'all to join in with me, all right? So let's take a look. So this is from, well, I don't know where this is from actually because it doesn't really say. So I don't know if this is from Amazon or somewhere else, but who knows? I'm just happy I got it. Okay, what do we have here? Something called Anchor, I believe. Okay, so it doesn't even show what it is, so I don't know what Anchor is. Have y'all ever heard of it? 'Cause I've never heard of that before. So yeah, it doesn't even have a, okay, so that's weird to me because you have a package that has no picture on it, no picture of the product, so that's really weird to me. You would think that they would care a little bit more about their products and they would want to show it to you. All right. It says thanks for choosing Anchor. Oh, I don't know what this is. I ain't never seen this, y'all. Oh, okay. So it's a little, okay, so whatever it is a USB charger needed for it. And this, oh. Okay. So I believe that this is a speaker because it got the little, you see that? It got the little sound hole thingies that mean speakers. So I'm assuming that's what this is because somebody said it's gonna get me one. So I think that's what this is. Now, Anchor, I ain't never heard of you, but y'all need to do better because y'all need to it don't even tell you what it is. It don't say it don't say anything about stereo or a speaker, not stereo, a speaker or anything. So they don't even want you to know what this product is, but I believe that this is what this is because that's what I was told someone was going to get for me. So thank you, special one. So this is really cool because as some of you may know, if you're a part of my Grandinite team, hello, you know that I've started to do my own workout really, my own workout videos and everything. And this would help with the music and, you know, being able to pair everything up. So I'm very excited about that. And so, yeah, I'm going to be using that for my Be Overweight workout series that I hope that y'all join and work out with me because I'm fun. I don't know about y'all, but I'm fun. So y'all need to join in. All right, so this is a beautiful package. I know where this is from. This is from Canva. So I know what this is. This is something that I created myself. I just don't know what it looks like because I've never ordered something like this in particular from Canva before, but I love Canva and I'm curious as to see what this particular product is going to look like. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the box. This box is beautiful. Yeah, so here we go. I'm excited. Okay, so it says thank you. Oh, they gave me some stickers. Ah, go ahead now. Free to be different. Choose kindness. One print, one tree. Canva. That's cool. Okay, like I said, I like me some Canva. I use them all the time for everything. And this is, okay, so let me tell y'all what this is. It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt that I personally created myself, the design for my series and for me to wear whenever I'm doing my workout. So here's one of the designs and let's see what it looks like. Let's see. Let me sit back. All right, hold on, I'm about to stand up. All right, can you see that? See what it says? It says be overweight. Okay? And they got the clock. Because you know what time it is. It's time to be overweight, right? Be overweighting. Be overwaiting for the perfect opportunity to do something. Be overwaiting, you know, for perfection. That's what that's about. So, the print is okay. It's kind of, it's okay. I think it serves its purpose. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty satisfied with it. I don't mind. It's pretty big. It's way bigger than I expected it to be, which is cool because you can actually read what it says. So I'm pretty happy with it. So y'all will be seeing these a lot more when it's time for me to do my workouts. So I'm pretty happy with that. So then we have, what does it say? It always seems impossible until it's done. And that is very true. That's why I say be overweighting, because like it says, it seems impossible until you actually do it. And then once you start to do it, you're like, oh, this is a lot easier than I thought. I could have been did this. So this is another t-shirt that I had made. Okay, so we have another one. I like these stickers and these little thank you cards. That's pretty cool. All right, so here's another t-shirt that I created the design for. And this also says be overweight. Yep. This is huge. I did not expect it to be as big as it is. But that's great because no one will ever be like, what does that say? You can see it right there. And when you have it on, you're like, okay, I'm going to be overweight. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. I hope I can actually fit this thing because they're both 2Xs, and usually I wear a 3X. So, I don't know. We're going to see. If y'all see me in my videos and I don't have it on, that means I couldn't fit it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm pretty happy with my designs. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. So tell me what y'all think about it. Tell me, do y'all like the designs that I created? You know, are y'all gonna try? No, not try. Are you gonna work out with me? If you don't, we ain't cool. We ain't as cool as I thought that we would. But that's neither here nor there. I still love you. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for doing this unboxing with me. I had fun because I always do. And I hope y'all do too. And until next time, bye.